Dina and Tommy was outside with their father looking at the night sky. They were looking into outer space for planets, stars, and moons. Alright, gather round and take turns looking through the telescope at space. Dina, you could go first since this is your first time.
Yay! I'm going to see some stars, some moon, and some planets. Wow!
Dina, what do you see?
Ah! I see space ants, and they're huge. Ah!
No. You have it pointed to the ground. How about now?
Phew! Much better. For a while there, I thought giant ants were taking over the moon. Wow, I see white and red glowing dots and things that look like marbles. And look, is that a shooting star? What am I looking at?
Planets and stars, Dina, they are far, far, far away. So we're using a telescope to see them better. That's right, Tommy. Planets, moon, stars, and space rocks.
Nice. This is great. What is the name of the planets, Daddy?
Oh, let me see. I have a space map somewhere. Here it is. That's Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and that right there is Neptune. All the other tiny lights are stars that are far away.
Oh, cool. Do we live on a planet or a star?
We live on a planet Earth, and the sun is a star.
What about the moon?
Yeah, the moon is a moon. Some planets have many moons that rotate around them. We just have one.
Oh, what is that? I know it's called a shooting star, but it's too small and moving fast.
That's a large space rock called a meteor.
Great. I feel like an astronaut or a space captain now. Awesome, Dad.